The context pod is a really important part of Figr, and it's also the part which people skip and then wonder why the output feels a bit generic. Here's a simple version. So the context pod is Figr's persistent memory of your product. So this is where you upload the things your team already knows, but an AI tool usually doesn't. For example, PRDs, analytics, talks, user interviews, screenshots, video product walkthroughs, and any screen recording. The more real context you add, the better Figr's understanding becomes over time. So let us set up one. I'll take an example of cal.com and I'll continue to set up. Now I can upload a lot of different type of files here. So I've added a lot of different type of files that we can get about cal.com off of the internet. Another way to set up a context pod is via showing your product. The way that I'm doing right now with Figr, you can show your product or anything on the web to Figr. A screen recording is quite useful. Instead of uploading one static screenshot, you can walk through an actual product and explain what's happening. And Figr stitches together the visual context and the voice context, and it matters a lot because product context is generally not textual. A lot of it is visual and behavioral, like it lives in flows, drop downs, empty states, models, sidebars, and all sort of weird tiny moments that never make it to a PRD in text format. So I'll just record my screen. Now I'll just add a product walkthrough here. Okay, so once this is uploaded, Figr starts building an understanding of the product. It can use this context later on for all sorts of things. So when I ask Figr to do a UX review or build a PRD or a flow, it will refer to all of this context, including the screen recording as well. And it will break down the screen recording according to the frame and everything that I talked about. And with context pod, Figr keeps learning your product over time and a memory gets built up. So before generating anything, do set up your context pod first inside Figr. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.